Hi guys, this one is a beginner friendly tutorial. This tutorial works for all the Windows version from XP to Windows 11. So let's do it. Go to search for Notepad, open the Notepad. So we have our Notepad open. At first we need to declare that this is a HTML5 document. For that, write less than exclamation doc type space HTML. Then close it with greater than. Now the browser will know that this is an HTML document. Then the next element less than HTML greater than. Press on enter. Again less than slash HTML greater than. With these two elements we are saying that this is our starting point and this is our end point. All the codes will go inside these two elements. Press on tab for equal spacing. Now we need to use the most important tag, head. Press on enter, tab for equal spacing, less than slash head greater than. You can say that this is the brain of our HTML document because all the metadata, links and styles will go inside these two tags. So let's put a title inside these two tags. Press on enter, tab, less than, title, greater than, same closing, less than, slash, title, greater than. Let's give the title, my website. What's the use of these title tags? If we go to the browser, whatever you write inside the title, we will see that text inside the browser tab. After head, we need to use the body. So tab, less than, body, same, close it, less than, slash, body, greater than. Everything we see inside the website like video, image, text will go inside the body. Like with H1, we can say this is our page headline. Suppose welcome to my website. Then close it, less than, slash, H1. There are lots of HTML elements or tags like this. Like for paragraph, tab, P. Now write whatever you want, then close it with same, less than, slash, P. Suppose we are done with our HTML document. Now how to run it? Go to File, Save As, click on this drop down. From here select the All Files. Then go to the location where you want to save your file. Suppose in G drive, then the folder delete, then HTML tutorial, then the name of your document. Suppose my website. Now this is very important. Write .html. After that, press on save. See, now we have a new file, mywebsite.html. Now to run it, we can double click to open it to our default browser like this. See, or we can right click, open with, then choose your favorite browser like Microsoft Edge. See the title, my website, the heading, welcome to my website, and the paragraph. To edit the document again, go to search for Notepad, then select your document, left click, hold, drag it over the Notepad, then release it. Now just do your editing, then save it, file, save, and run it again. See? So guys, that's how easily we can run HTML documents with Notepad. Thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.